Alright, so today we are going to be removing the lights on the Triber, and we're going to be changing those lights to LED lights, which I have from All Extreme. I have bought two different combinations. One is a 10 LED and one is a 12 LED. Both are, I think, around 5 watts. It's very simple. Just take any pry tool and just push it out. Likewise, I'll push it out this side of it. You just need to pull it from each side one by one, and this kind of comes out easily. Alright, I've got the zip ties now. I'm just going to show you one more time how this whole LED thing works. This is with the stock bulb. Let's just switch it on. Like you see here, the stock bulb's light is pretty okay, not that great. So let's just now open this up. Let me just remove it now, and let's go into installing the LED bulb now, which has a heatsink, which is a 10 SMD version of the bulb. Okay, so that means you need to push this back. Okay, so there you go. Now this is kind of settled in very properly, I think. Yeah. All right, so I'll just show you how this works. This works very bright, and it's going to cover the entire area. And we're going to go into the front side, where we would need to like I showed you earlier, just take the pry tool. Yep. And we need to first remove the side ones. Oh, this is not like that was in a flat mode, so we were able to remove it very easily. This is in slightly a different kind of location, so we might need to do a little bit of juggling here. So yes, we did it, and it just came right out. Same thing, we just need to remove the bulb which is there, which is a flat bulb. We can keep this for later use, definitely keep it, and use these to push it in place. Firstly, let's try to settle this one into the back side where it's going to be positioned mostly. Yes, and test it once. So I'm just going to put this back in, and we're going to use the zip ties right here to kind of give this slightly tighter fit. Tighter means this will work much better, and it will never get loosened when you're driving or something. It shouldn't kind of pop out. Right, so I've got this, and fitting is pretty simple. Let's just try it once, and like you see here, the light is pretty bright. Okay, so ensure that all the clips are in position when you put this back in, and that's pretty much how this will work, right? Yes, so we've completed the installation of the lights. Let me just show you how bright these are versus the old ones. Then you'll realize that having this is going to increase the visibility at night times for you. And yeah,